Mweri-ini wa mugwanja mwaka muhituku nirio mucirithania Jessie Lessit arekereirie itua ria gukorwo aiganire na wira uria wakuruhanagia ekuirwo aya atatu njuragano-ini ya Willie Kimani uria atetagira igoti-ini Josephat Mwendwa amwe na ndereba wa taxi Joseph Mwiruri. Na muthia family cia atatu aya ni mamukirite Kihoto Fredrick Leliman uria wari mwikuirwo munene njuragano-ini ino agitwirirwo kinyonga ni igoti.
I've also considered the circumstances of this case, the meticulous planning, implementation and the brutal execution of the deceased. To say the least, this was a most foul murder, an execution that was most heinous. I find that the most suitable sentence for each of the accused persons is as follows. The first accused is sentenced to death in each of the 3 counts. The death sentence in counts 2 and 3 are held in abeyance.
Akirekereria itua riri, Jaji Jessie Lessit augite Leliman niagarire watho kuona eta abithaa wa borithi wari wuigiririki wake kugitira mioyo ya andu. Lessit ningi akiuga nowe wathugundire mubango wa uria njuragano ino egutabanio.
In that regard, I have considered that the first accused mounted a sophisticated master plan which saw him capture the deceased Mwenda together with all those who were helping him on the mid-morning of the material day. The first accused was acting out of self-preservation when he planned these murders. His was a personal vendetta against the deceased Mwenda for reporting him to IPOA. The aim, of course, was to destroy evidence by destroying the complainant, which was not only drastic but draconian.
Aria angi makuruhanitio njuragano-ini ino ni hamwe na abithaa Stephen Morogo uria kundikirwo kioho kia miaka 30, Slyvia Wanjohi kundikwo kioho kia miaka 24 na kioria wa matwiragiria Peter Ngugi atwirwo kioho kia miaka 20 ariwo kundikirwo kioho kia miaka minini makiria gatagati-ini kao. Lessit akiuga wira wake ni wateithiririe maabithaa a borithi thiini wa uthuthuria.
Now the second accused is sentenced to 30 years imprisonment in each of the 3 counts with the prison terms running concurrently. The third accused is sentenced to 24 years imprisonment in each of the 3 counts with the prison terms running concurrently. And then in computing the sentences in paragraphs 2, 3 and 4, that is in respect of the second, the third and the 5th accused, the prison authorities to take into account the period of each of the accused have spent in custody during the pendency of this case. I also want to inform the accused persons that they have a right of appeal against both the conviction and the sentence within 14 days from today's date.
Willie Kimani, Josephat Mwendwa na Joseph Mwiruri moragirwo tariki 23 mweri wa 6 mwaka wa 2016.